Karma Guy here from Karma Automotive Group, and I've got a great ride for you. The 2019 Dodge Durango SXT Plus Sport Utility. This Durango has only had one previous owner and is in excellent shape, certified pre-owned with a Quality Plus warranty covering 3 months or 3,000 miles. We're also offering a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price with the purchase. Want even more peace of mind? You can upgrade to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale. It's fully up to date on Georgia emissions, and a pre-purchase inspection is always a smart move. A quick note, any price reductions will change the CPO status and warranty eligibility. Let's make sure this Durango is the right fit for you.